Hello everyone, my name is Maria Martinez and today I am going to be talking about my Influenster Bonita VoxBox. This time Influencer sent me this pretty cool Bonita VoxBox. So this box includes a lot of beauty and health items. I have not opened it. I have seen a peek on Instagram of what the box includes, but let's get it opened. So I just opened the seal and this is how the box looks like. So let's see. First thing that I see is a Dickinson Enhanced with Hazel Hydrating Toner. Moisturizes skin and refines pores. Oh, this is going to be perfect for me. I have very dry skin, so I am going to be loving testing this out and of course writing a review about it. The next thing that I see here in the box is this Sinful Color nail polish, and I'm dying for this color. I really need to go and get a manicure ASAP. Hopefully my husband will let me, but I'm dying for this color. Look how pretty it is. Love it. Can't wait to try it on. I'll have a clip on how it looks. The next thing that I see is this Fiber One Brownie. This seems to be pretty good for, it only has 90 calories. I love brownies, so I'm definitely going to be trying this out, testing it out. And let's see. I see this is a Madam CJ Walker Beauty Culture, and it's a scalp and strength nourishing dream come true. And it's a pre-wash protein treatment, and it's for all hair types. So this is a mask for your hair that you do before you wash your hair. I'm in desperate need of washing my hair, so I'm testing this out soon. And it brings two products in here. They're both the same. Oh, I'm sorry. One is a pre-wash and then the other one is a deep conditioning mask. So one is for the pre-wash is for reconstructing and rebuilding, and the deep conditioning mask is for hydrating and conditioning. I am very excited about this, so I can't wait to test it out. And the last thing, well, that I see in here is this Revlon. It says Revlon is on. Choose your lip look. So pretty much it brings the new shades for the Revlon Ultra HD lip color, and then it gives you two samples. The first one is, it doesn't say the names, but I am very excited. Actually, one is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte lip color, and then the second one is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. So one is a lipstick and the other one is a lip, what would you say this? These are, well, another lip product. So, and it brings coupons to save $1 on this product. So I love Revlon. I can't wait to try this out. And these are just some letters from, ooh, look, Kylie Jenner. She is part of the Sinful Color for the nail polishes, and they're only $2.99. Wow, I think this must be really good quality for having Kylie Jenner on it, so I'm excited. And this is how the Bonita letter comes, and then on the back it has all the details of the products and the prices of each. So yeah, this was the unboxing. I am so excited that Influencer actually chose me for this box. It says you're lovely. How cute. I am lovely. But I am very excited that Influencer actually chose me to send me these free products to be tested. I did not have to pay anything for this. This was completely for testing and reviewing purposes. So I'm excited to be testing this out, and all the products I'm excited about to test out and write reviews about. So if you want to know more about it, please message me or write down the comments, and I'll be glad to tell you all about them. So until next time, bye.